Wata kabalo, daghan kita different backgrounds, daghan kita giagian. In getting or grabbing opportunities, we should give it all a try. One life advice that I could give is do not afraid to try, especially sa mga aspiring beauty queens diha no. Do not let the world define or like write your own story. Kay wata kabalo, daghan kita different backgrounds, daghan kita giagian. But then we should be proud of that story. We should own it and let it be the light that inspires others. And of course, always seek God's guidance, and may He continue to speak, and may we continue to walk with His grace and wisdom. And advice lang gid pod sa dili lang pod sa like mga babayi and sa mga young girls diha, but then kanang in general pod ba na in getting or grabbing opportunities, we should give it all a try. Like ikuhaon jud nato na siyang opportunity. We don't know kung asa ta padulong or unsa ta gidestined sa Ginoo.